Hi, this is Tina's Tips. Today we're going to talk about digestive enzymes. But before I do that, we're going to start our quick little experiment. So we're going to take our Terrazyme and we're going to take only about a third of it. We're not even taking the full capsule, okay? I'll take a third of that capsule and we're going to put it in one of those pudding cups that are so thick that initially the spoon will stand up in it, right? But as we put and stir, and we do a stopwatch of how long it takes for this pudding pack with our 1/3 of a capsule of Terrazyme to go from thick to thin, maybe? We'll see. So in a Terrazyme, you're going to take one capsule about a half hour to 40 minutes before each meal. And it's going to support the healthy digestion and metabolic process. So how does it do that? Well, you guys can read this here just as much as I can, but by supporting the body's constant production of enzymes that are critical for healthy biochemical functions throughout the body, such as healthy digestion of food, nutrients, and cellular metabolism of nutrients into energy. So what does all that mean? Basically, it means it's going to take the food that you eat and it is going to provide the enzymes that are naturally found within the stomach and our digestive system. But as we get older, those systems tend to get a little sluggish because we haven't necessarily been providing them with the proper process ourselves by chewing our food to where it's liquid before it goes down. So we've been taxing that system quite a bit. Okay, here we go. We're getting closer. So that's at 1.5 minutes. Basically, because we're taxing that system, as we get older, it gets a little depleted. It's not working as well, right? And so because it's not working real well, that tends to cause some issues with our digestive system. When we have our digestive system working at its optimum, oh, look at that, we're getting better. I think the only thick stuff is what's on the spoon. But this will get thinner and thinner to where it's watery. And basically, not just watery, but what's happening is it allows our digestive system to get the nutrients out of our food that it needs. Now, some of you people that know me know that I used to have a Snickers bar and a Dr. Pepper for breakfast. It's not going to get much nutrients out of that. But if you're eating nutritiously, it's going to get all the value out of that food that you are putting into your body. Okay, now we're at pretty much water. And that is at 2.5 minutes. So, Terrazyme is great for your digestive system, for your metabolism. It's great to help you get the nutrients you need out of your food. This is Tina's Tips. Thanks for joining us.